अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स। आज की इस वीडियो में हम कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू सेट्स पर बात करेंगे और देखेंगे हम इन्हें कैसे फाइंड कर सकते हैं। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द डेफिनेशन। लेट ए एंड बी टू नॉन एम्प्टी सेट्स। द सेट ऑफ ऑल ऑर्डर्ड पेयर्स ए कोमा बी सच दैट ए बिलोंग्स टू ए एंड बी बिलोंग्स टू बी कॉल्ड कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट और रिटन एज ए क्रॉस बी। ये डेफिनेशन हमें बताती है कि अगर हमारे पास कोई दो नॉन एम्प्टी सेट्स हों ए एंड बी, दो कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट ऑफ ए क्रॉस बी एक ऐसा सेट होगा जो कंटेन्स करेगा ऑल ऑर्डर्ड पेयर्स ए कोमा बी, जिसमें फर्स्ट एलिमेंट बिलोंग करेगा सेट ए से एंड सेकंड एलिमेंट बिलोंग करेगा सेट बी से। और इन अदर वर्ड्स वी कैन से दैट कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट ऑफ ए क्रॉस बी मस्ट बी द सेट which contains all ordered pairs A, B such that A belongs to set A and B belongs to set B. Now let's take an example. Suppose we have two sets A and B. A contains the elements 1 and 2 and B contains the elements A, B and C. So for demonstration of A cross B, we take the pictorial representation of A. In set A we represent the A elements and in this set we represent the B elements A, B and C. For a Cartesian product of A cross B, every element of set A must have a pair with elements of set B. So A must have a pair with set A, ordered pair of A 1 comma A here, and A must have a pair with second element of B 1 comma B, and A must have a pair with third element of B 1 comma C. Similarly 2 must have a pair with A 2 comma A. 2 must have a pair with B 2 comma B. 2 must have a pair with C 2 comma C. So this is the Cartesian product of A cross B, which contains all ordered pairs where the first element comes from set A and the second element comes from set B. Similarly we can find Cartesian product of B cross A, but this time first element comes from the set B and the second element comes from the set A. Here you can see that first element comes from the set B A and the second element 1 comes from the set A 1 comma A, B comma 1 and C comma 1. Similarly A comma 2, B comma 2 and C comma 2. This is the Cartesian product of B cross A. And you can clearly see that Cartesian product of A cross B does not be equal to B cross A, because each ordered pair in A cross B does not be equal to ordered pair in B cross A. You can clearly see that 1 comma A does not be equal to A comma 1, because both these ordered pairs have different location in Cartesian plane. So that is why the Cartesian product A cross B does not be equal to B cross A. One more thing, number of elements in A cross B is equal to number of elements in set A multiplied by number of elements in set B. You can see that the set A contains 2 elements and set B contains element 3. So 2 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 6. So A cross B must have 6 elements. You can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Similarly B cross A must have 6 elements. Now let's take one more example. What will be the Cartesian product of set of R with itself? As we know that R is the set of real numbers, so the Cartesian product of R is the set of all ordered pairs A comma B such that both elements A B belongs to set of R. This is the Cartesian product of R with R, or we can say that R square. Cartesian plane is the geometrical representation of R square. We frequently call the Cartesian plane is the geometrical representation of R square. Suppose if 1, 2 belongs to the ordered pair R square, because both 1 and 2 are real numbers, so this ordered pair belongs to R square. So how we can represent it on a Cartesian plane? One, two, So this element is on x-axis and this element is on y-axis, and we can say that this line is a real line and this line is a vertical real line. So 1 is here and 2 is here. So this is the point of ordered pair 1, 2. So this is how we can represent each ordered pair of R square in a Cartesian plane. So this is all about Cartesian product. What is Cartesian product, and why the Cartesian product of A cross B does not be equal to Cartesian product of B cross A. Number of elements in Cartesian product, and what will be the Cartesian product of R with itself. So I hope your concept is very clear now. अगर आपको ये वीडियो से कुछ सीखने को मिला हो तो लाइक और सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए फॉर सपोर्ट के लिए.